Man, Seagull messed up. Oh, it sucks. He's alive too. He's a not happy seagull. That's what you get. Now, I always wondered. All the little birds always pick on those things, but see ya. What is up? You better figure out your life right now, bud.
You gonna go check on him? No, he's coming back.
He's coming back. He's gonna jack him. I think that's a Cooper's hawk. Thing didn't even fly away. What's up? Well, it's a circle of life right here in the Walmart parking lot. What do you think about that, Grady?
That is
Welcome to
an
Texas.
experience. That's an experience.